We at the Regenerative Development Initiative believe that permaculture principles can and have created more effective, culturally relevant, locally appropriate, and sustainable approaches to development. Permaculture is a design approach to arrive at solutions, just as the scientific method is an experimental approach. In more concrete terms, permaculture tells how to choose from a dauntingly large toolkit, all the human technologies and strategies for living, to solve new problems of sustainability. It's an instruction manual for solving the challenges of meeting human needs while enhancing ecosystem health. The permaculture regenerative approach draws on local knowledge, skills, crops, and resources to explore opportunities for creative solutions in meeting food, water, and housing security. Permaculture's multi-pronged approach at development is a good solution to address vulnerability in communities around the world. Permaculture development projects, in contrast to traditional aid projects, are about supporting communities to solve their own problems. They explore small solutions that use locally available skills and resources, which can be easily taught, readily repeated, and adopted. They aim to leave a community empowered with the knowledge, skills, and processes to take control of their own lives, to regenerate their environment, and build community capital. Regenerative aid is about meeting human needs in a way that restores productivity and biodiversity to the landscape, rebuilding soil and rehabilitating damaged lands as to create true resiliency in formerly vulnerable communities. We expect to find a lot of varied results in permaculture development projects because, while well-intentioned, they've been executed inconsistently. Many new permaculture students find themselves having the overwhelming urge to go out and change the world in the honored tradition of their elder, Bill Mollison. But, as the old saying goes, the road to hell is paved with good intention. Listen to any seasoned permaculture aid worker long enough, and they're bound to tell you dozens of frighteningly embarrassing stories of well-intentioned aid gone wrong. This is exacerbated by the fact that when we work in the developing world, the stakes are very high. If you make a mistake, someone goes hungry. Someone can't feed their child that day. Permaculture development projects must be designed and executed carefully to avoid precarious situations, or we're taking extreme risks with people's lives, and in the process, giving permaculture bad reputations. We believe that there have been many successful projects to date which have created lasting change for people around the globe. We just need to find them and ask the people who created them what makes theirs different. If we can find enough evidence of both successful and unsuccessful traits, we can help create a roadmap for project creation. Once we've collected sufficient information, we intend to make it available on a website and publish a manual to avoid such inconsistent results. This research will lend legitimacy and will begin to develop a solid evidence-based framework for people who want to start a variety of development initiatives, or even help incorporate permaculture into existing aid projects, hopefully diverting a fraction of the billions of dollars spent on aid yearly into more resilient, long-term undertakings, and thus making a big impact on the lives of people around the globe. This work is going to take a lot of experience and many hours to complete, and we're asking for support from you, our community. Please help our team bring this project to reality by giving your support. Even a little from many hands will go a long way to help this important project to improve people's reality. Thank you very much.